guys, welcome to my channel and welcome to today's video. So in today's video I'm going to be talking about a very special hair care range by Mamaearth. I have 3 products here with me which I really wanted to talk to you guys about from a really long time. So today I'll be talking about a hair oil, and then I'll be talking about a shampoo, and then I will talk about a conditioner which is really good, especially if you are encountering any kind of hair fall, including very mild hair fall to extreme hair fall. I'll tell you why. Now let's quickly start in an order as to how we'll go about maybe with our hair care process. So the first thing that I like to do is probably apply some oil, hair oil. This one is a really good hair oil. I have tried this hair oil for the first time and this is so good, especially if you're suffering from any kind of baldness or maybe hair fall. This is called as Mamaearth Onion Hair Oil, and it has onion oil and Redenzil. I'm extremely sorry, I don't know how to pronounce this word, but then when I was doing a bit of research, I got to know that Redenzil is actually a component which is used by the medical practitioners or the dermatologists to actually treat the baldness basically, and that means extreme baldness that you sometimes see in men. I'm not sure, women tend to get less bald as men do, unless of course if anybody is undergoing any kind of a chemotherapy. Redenzil is used in that case. This of course is for hair fall, and because it controls hair fall, it kind of enhances the growth of hair, and that is one reason I really like it. I mean, I have noticed a lot of hair fall because of the weather maybe, and also because I heat treat my hair a lot and then I wash my hair a lot. So this did really good to me. A lot of people do ask, this is an onion oil, so does it smell like onion? No, it smells really pleasant. Actually, it smells good. It smells like the hair oil, but then it just goes away in the first wash. Let me quickly talk about this. This does not have any mineral oil or silicone in it. It is dermatologically tested. This is meant for all the hair types. It has a lot of good ingredients in this one that not only controls the hair fall but also nourishes it and makes it stronger, so that even if you maybe style your hair every single day, your hair will sustain it. This is a 250 ml bottle which is priced at ₹5.99, and it comes in this kind of a packaging which of course is very Mamaearth like, but it comes with this additional attachment that has, I think, 5 things with holes like droppers, so you can directly drop the hair oil onto the scalp. But I like to have control, so I use a regular traditional this thing nozzle. So I just pour it out in a cup or a bowl and then I just apply it with my fingers. So that is how I apply it. The way to actually apply this hair oil is part your hair from the center like I have, then take some hair oil and then gently with the help of your fingertips just apply this hair in the scalp maybe, and then just keep parting your hair and keep applying the hair oil. And once you're done, you just massage it in your hair thoroughly, maybe for 5-10 minutes, or depending on the time that you have, you can just be indulgent and just give yourself a really nice chumpy with this hair oil. Then at the end you can just tie a bun and go to bed. This spreads really quickly and it is not very oily or chipchipa, especially in this garmi. It is so difficult to apply hair oil and go to sleep. If you have very frizzy hair, then you can also apply it right after your shampoo. After your bath, you just apply it like a serum. It gives a really nice shiny coating. It protects your hair, and also it nourishes, because of course it is a mixture of so many good hair oils. I like to apply this at least twice a week, if not more, and I think for best results, go the traditional way, apply it during the night and then wash it off during the morning. But it has a really light consistency. It is very light, spreads very evenly and gives a lot of shine as well. I like to just sometimes randomly apply it as a serum as well. It has some bit of fragrance into it, but that's very mild and generally doesn't really last. So I'm really a fan of this particular hair oil, and it has so many good ingredients. My god, it has sunflower oil, it has jojoba oil, almond oil, bhringraj oil extract, amla oil extract, gudhal, onion, natural, vitamin E, sesame oil, castor oil, Redenzil, onion seed oil, lime essential oil, ginger essential oil. So it is actually a mixture of a lot of good oil. So of course it is really good and effective. I would highly recommend you guys try this out, and let me know what you think about it, because it is so effective in treating any kind of hair fall. So that was my first first product. Now moving on to the second step, that is applying the shampoo. I'm talking about this amazing shampoo which has onion and plant keratin. Now this one is super duper good because it is sulfate free. So if in case your hair is treated, color treated, chemical treated, whatever treatment if you've taken, this will protect it from damage, because a lot of shampoos that you regularly find in the market do have sulfate in them, and sulfate apparently is not very good for the hair. This also is paraben free, silicone free, mineral oil free. It is dermatologically tested and it is meant for all the hair types. Now because this is their onion range which has different components along with the onion as ingredient, this definitely helps with the growth of hair. Of course this is a shampoo, so it cleans the hair, but it does that very mildly. Your hair gets clean but is also nourished, and of course the hair fall is reduced drastically in probably, you will notice it in a week's time. I use a lot of shampoos, but this one has stood like a kind of favorite, so I reach for it very often. This one is also rupees 250 ml ka bottle, but this is priced at rupees 349. Let me quickly tell you guys, for those of you who are concerned, that Mamaearth is actually an Indian brand. This is the time to actually, you know, give a shout out to the local brands, and this is such brand which is not only desi but is also cruelty free. This is PETA certified, which is very prestigious and you can trust it blindly. Not only that, they use all organic and natural ingredients. Their ingredients are chemical free. They do not have anything harsh in them, so it does not harm you. Anybody who is over 15 years of age can use it without any difficulty, because all of these products undergo a tremendous test and scrutiny before they reach all of us. So that is why I support Mamaearth so much. I simply love this brand a lot for not just their affordability but the, you know, wide variety of products that they have for the skincare and the hair care range. So I simply love this shampoo. It smells so good. Oh my god, I love the fragrance of it. Once you take a shower, you know, your bathroom smells like the shampoo, and it is such a pleasant fragrance. It is beautiful. I just washed my hair, blow dried it, and now I'm shooting this video, so my hair smells amazing actually. And now it also has a slight bit of a fragrance of the hair oil because I just applied it. I really like this shampoo. You can go for it. Also Mamaearth products are available on a lot of websites like Myntra, Flipkart, Amazon, and it is also available on their own website, which is mamaearth.in. And if you use the coupon code which Mamaearth has very kindly given me, flashing on the screen for you, you'll get 20% off if you choose to purchase from their website. So of course, buy from wherever you get the best deal, as I always say. Next up in the hair care process is this conditioner. Now I'm one person, even if I don't shampoo my hair, if I'm taking a bath, I'll definitely apply the conditioner because my hair is so frizzy, and conditioner simply tames the frizziness. Conditioner gives shine. It basically controls very unmanageable hair. This one has onion of course, but amazing goodness of coconut. It smells so good. It is so nourishing and enriching. It is like a body butter literally on your hair. Yeah, maybe hair butter kind of a thing. And this of course controls the hair fall, but since it is a conditioner, it deeply conditions and nourishes the hair. This is a really favorite product of mine, maybe one of my most favorite conditioners that I have in my bathroom right now. This one is also a 250 ml bottle, priced at rupees 349, but of course if you use the coupon code you'll get a discount. So yes, this is one of my most favorite conditioners. So this particular hair range by Mamaearth that I have over here, which is the onion hair oil, onion hair shampoo, and the onion hair conditioner with different other amalgamation of very good and natural ingredients, is very beneficial for our everyday hair care. I would definitely suggest and recommend you guys go for this range, and this is going to do a lot good to your hair, especially this hair oil. I simply love a lot. So I'm going to leave the link of all the products in the description box below. Make sure that you check that out if in case you want to check out these products. And if you've used this range or anything from this range, let me know in the comment section below, and just share your ideas, your feedback, so that a lot of people can benefit from it. So thank you so much for watching this video. I'll see you in my next video very soon. Till then, take very good care of yourself, and I love you so much. Bye guys. Bye.